This is it, guys, the final video to the Agora Models Optimus Prime kit, where today I'm building the blaster and the base. Cause let's face it, it's all about that. So enjoy. gotta admit, he looks fabulous. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these backlights out, and I want to see him in dim lighting. So let's take a look. That's glorious. And you know, the thing is, yes, this may not be posable friendly when it comes to this base. So like I said, whether with the base or without the base, just look at it, man. Just look at it in all its glory. Now, am I going to keep the lights on every day? No, not really, because that's a lot of battery to hold. But still, everything, you know, is grand. It looks beautiful. It really does. With the base, without the base, he looks fantastic. Now, I do admit, of course, he has accessories. He has the axe and he has the matrix, which of course glows, flashes. Okay, yes, I'm going to say it. I went extra lazy with the axe on account that what you have to do is you have to pull the hand out and insert the axe. I'm not going to do that because that is a lot of work to pulling it out to, you know, to put this thing in. So I just pretty much here is Optimus Prime with his battle axe. But just, you know, go with it with your imagination that is what you're supposed to do, which is what I'm not going to do. But like I said, his accessories are beautiful. And then, of course, we have the Matrix, the leadership. I kind of want to place it here. For the most part, let's see Optimus holding the Matrix. I want to see that. After painstakingly figuring this out, I would have to say, yeah, I got the Matrix going. So this is Optimus holding the Matrix of leadership in all its glory. Now, the thing that I really love the most is the fact that his fingers, if you haven't noticed, his fingers actually go inside the groove of the Matrix. And for those of you who recall, in the 1986 movie, Rodimus put his fingers into the Matrix in order to open it. Unlike Ultra Magnus, who held it right, you know, within the grips itself, but not in the groove of the Matrix. Because, I mean, there's a reason for it. It's fingers. That's just me personally. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Is the Matrix supposed to be opened within the finger grooves? That's what I'm calling it. Or is it supposed to be opened by the handles? Or you just don't care. You just love the Matrix in all its glory. But yeah, this I love.